Worldwide, emissions and waste have negatively impacted the environment and humanity. From 2018 to 2019, solid waste disposal in Michigan landfills increased by 6.2%, the largest spike seen in the last decade. In 2021, 51,174,897 cubic yards of waste were disposed in Michigan landfills. This is more than enough trash to circle the entire Earth. The increasing amounts of waste and emissions are a product of the linear economy, which a majority of the world operates.
So linear economy is easily summed up by the term take, make, waste. So it's an economy that relies on extracting resources from the earth, manufacturing them in some way, processing them in some way. You use it and then you dump it somewhere else, or you burn it, or it ends up in the ocean. By contrast, a circular economy uses the same inputs over and over again. So you start with, say, stainless steel, you turn it into a spoon, you use the spoon many times, the spoon gets broken or damaged in some way, you melt it down into stainless steel, you use that spoon again. So it's a continuous loop of resource use, and this can be applied to agriculture or transportation, all kinds of things, anything that keeps goods and materials in a cycle. It's something that explicitly avoids the extraction process that has caused so much environmental harm, caused so much human harm. So the circular economy is really, if it's built correctly, a chance for us to remake all of our systems in a way that actually works for people and works for the planet.
Local organizations like Live Zero Waste are working to promote participation in circular economies.
Live Zero Waste's goal is to empower people wherever they are, whether they're in their homes or at their works or as voters, to create a zero waste world and to limit the extraction and exploitation of nature and people's bodies and environmental health as much as we can through building zero waste systems.
One of Live Zero Waste's current initiatives is partnering with local restaurants to establish a returnable takeout container program.
Mohammed. I work at El Harissa. We're a my family-owned El Harissa. It's a North African, Mediterranean restaurant. And we're at 1516 North Maple Road, just over there. I was brought into the development of this program pretty early on. They knew that I was passionate, independent of my business, passionate about sustainability, and so they reached out and I jumped at the opportunity. During the pandemic, a lot of restaurants, El Harissa included, had to pivot to mostly a takeout model. So we still are using a lot of containers. Use of individual single-use plastics has kind of skyrocketed. And so this program is a way of kind of cutting back on that use of single-use plastics.